Hello and welcome to the Al Bayt Stadium here in the northern Qatari city of Al Khor. I'm Derek Ray and delighted to have Stuart Robson sharing commentary duties with me. And both teams with one game each under their belt already. Let's see how they fare this time around. It's the United States versus Wales.
Well, Derek, after their draw on the opening day, it's vital they get 3 points at home today. This should be an intriguing game, I think.
Now, this could be productive. Well, the danger is still there. Gives it a go. There it is, and just the ideal start.
Well, just look at the setup here. It's such a clever backheel, and then what a finish. That's been hit with such power and pace. The keeper has no time to react. It's a brilliant strike.
Well, the ball is moving once more. How important will that opening goal prove to be? And a tidy tackle. Chances on. Oh, right in the nick of time. Weah. He must finish. And a goal! Cause for celebrations again. 2 in front.
Well, when you see this again, the defending just isn't good enough. The clearance doesn't get enough height on it, doesn't get enough distance on it, and suddenly the ball's being played back into their danger area, and they don't reorganise themselves, and that's why the ball's in the back of their net.
So underway again, and a 2-0 advantage here. Ramsey. James. He has teammates around him, but a good piece of defending to bring it to an end. Weston McKennie. Brendan Aronson. As clean as a whistle, that challenge. Wilson. Now, what can they do from here? Well, since they have the ball, the referee playing advantage here. Well, a foul after the previous one, and a free kick ensues. Ramsey. It's neat passing, confidence on the ball. Opportunity for them to get back into the game. Ramsey! Well, last gasp defending, but brilliant defending. Well, what can they do to stop him running at them? But nothing comes of it. Good defending it was. Can he get one back? Oh, and the referee has pointed to the spot. Penalty given. Can he finish? In it goes. Coolly converted. So the ball is rolling again. 2-1 the score. What's going to happen next? Well, adding up all the stoppages, we will have 2 extra minutes. That's how to rob them of possession. And the whistle is sounded for half-time in this game. Well, underway once more, and it's going to be fascinating to see what developments occur in this second half. Sibachu. Pulisic. Giving the ball to the opposition that time. Good movement. A fine reading of the situation. Aronson. Went in strongly to win the ball. But I'll tell you what, that didn't miss by much. Ampadu. And a tidy challenge. And so 30 minutes left for play in this one. Is it going to be Pulisic? High echelon goalkeeping there. It might still be problematic. Well, nothing untoward happened. Gareth Bale. Bale. This could level it. Well, they've solved the problem for now, but let's see. Well, the last touch off the defender, so a corner coming up. Well, they are committed to making the substitution here. So following the deflection, a corner kick coming up here. And he did what he had to do defensively. A real struggle to contain him. And he's in. And a goal! He's doubled his total for the day in superb scoring form.
Well, I have to say, this is a really good goal. Just watch his technique here. He just hits through the back of the ball with such power. There's no stopping that.
So 2 substitutes to come on in 1 go. So the ball is moving again. We've been treated to 4 goals. 3-1 the score. Wilson. Could pull one back here. Oh, goodness me. He made it far too easy for the keeper, didn't he? Adiola. A very effective challenge put in. Wilson. A message delivered from the referee to the 4th official. 3 minutes on the board. And full time, we can say it officially now. The United States have won. And Stuart, I wonder what you've made of their performance.
Well, Derek, they were better than their opponents in all aspects of the game. They defended well enough, they dominated midfield, and they created chances as well. It was a great performance.